Hello, Natho here. Today we are going to learn how to straighten and align a model. See here this pipe I have? It's nice and aligned. Okay, so let's change this pipe's rotation. As you can see, it's 0, 0, 0. Let's rotate it. Okay, now its rotation is changed. Now let's apply that rotation. Control A, rotation. The rotation is now applied. It is 0, 0, 0. Now you could try and fix the rotation by hand, like something like this. But you never got to get it completely straight. So to get our model straight and aligned again, let's hop into edit mode. We need to select an edge, face, or vertex that we know is front or side. So for me, I know that this edge here is front, so let me select that. Once that's selected, let's hop up to transform orientation. Let's create a new orientation. I have one there. Let's just delete that. Create a new orientation, edge. So now hop into object mode. Let's hop to origins. Enable origins here. We're only affecting origins. Object transform line to transform orientation. You can see now our axes are aligned. Our edge orientation. Let's hop out of origins and go to global. Let's click Alt R to reset our rotations. And now you can see it's aligned to Y. Now I simply just rotate X 90 and my model is back to straight and aligned.